how to fix Valorant graphics card problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just open your files, then you need to find Riot Games folder, and now if you can't find it, right click on Valorant, open file location, Riot Games, and then click Valorant, and here we'll find it. And now after that just wait. Anyway, open Riot Games folder, Valorant Live, then shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here we'll find Valorant. Right click, properties. Now just you will find it like that. Enable run this program as an administrator and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Apply and OK. And after that, type here graphics settings, and now click browse. Now you need to find this one here, Riot Games Valorant Live shooter game binaries. You will find it here again. Right click on it and then add. Now just wait. Now just you need to try it. First one, power saving, and then click save. If that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and try high performance, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to like.